This is a 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a remote start feature, a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, heated seats, and power-adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, steering wheel mounted stereo controls, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a sliding rear window, an anti-lock braking system, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, and this vehicle has less than 53,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Beck & Maston GMC Buick North is located at 11300 FM 1960 West in Houston. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.